Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a starter on a Nissan Titan. Before we begin, safety is paramount. Always disconnect your vehicle's negative battery cable, first using a 10mm wrench to prevent electrical hazards. Next, gather your necessary tools, including various sockets, ratchets, and pliers. Remember to wear safety glasses and gloves throughout the entire process for your protection. A well-lit and stable workspace is also crucial for a smooth repair. To reach the starter, we first need to access it from beneath the intake manifold. Begin by removing the engine cover and the entire air intake tube assembly. Next, carefully disconnect all vacuum lines, electrical connectors, and any other hoses attached to the intake manifold. Using a 10mm socket, loosen the 10 bolts securing the intake manifold. Once loose, gently lift and move the manifold to the side, ensuring you cover the open engine ports to prevent debris from entering. With the intake manifold moved, you now have access to the starter. First, locate the main power wire, usually covered by a rubber boot, and remove the 12mm nut to disconnect it. Then, unplug the smaller signal wire connector from the starter solenoid. Next, you'll find two 14mm mounting bolts securing the starter to the engine. These can be tight, so use a long ratchet for leverage. Once both bolts are out, carefully wiggle and pull the old starter free from its mounting location. Now it's time to install your new starter. Before placing it, ensure the mounting surface on the engine block is clean and free of debris. Carefully position the new starter and hand tighten the two 14mm mounting bolts. Then, use a torque wrench to tighten these bolts to 34 foot-pounds for secure installation. Reconnect the power wire with its 12mm nut and the signal wire connector. Finally, reassemble the intake manifold, air intake, and engine cover, then reconnect your battery to test the new starter.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.